Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make your WordPress website look professional. When you first install WordPress, the site usually looks very plain with just some text and default styling. It does not give the impression of a finished or professional website. The good news is you can completely change that in just a few steps using Divi. If you want to try Divi at a great price, use the link in the description to go to the website. The first step is to install and activate the Divi theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance and then Themes, and upload the Divi zip file that you get from Elegant Themes. Once installed, click Activate. Your site is now running on Divi and ready to be customized. Next, go to any page and click Edit with Divi. You will see an option to choose a pre-made layout. Divi has a large library of designs for all kinds of websites such as business, portfolio, or e-commerce. Browse through the layouts, preview them, and when you find one that fits, click Use this layout. In just a few seconds, your plain page will turn into a polished design with sections, colors, and demo content. Now you can start customizing the layout to match your brand. Click on any text area and type in your own words, such as your business name, welcome message, or details about your services. For images, just click on the placeholders and upload your own photos. This instantly makes the site feel more authentic and personal. You can also adjust fonts, colors, and spacing with simple drag and drop controls. Divi lets you change font sizes, line height, and styles so your content is easy to read. You can apply your brand colors to buttons, backgrounds, and headings in just a few clicks. Before publishing, check how your site looks on different devices. Divi allows you to preview the layout on desktop, tablet, and phone. If something looks off, like text too large on mobile or spacing too tight on tablet, you can adjust it only for that device. This ensures your site looks polished and professional whether visitors see it on a computer, tablet, or phone. Once you are happy with the changes, click Save and view your site. Compared to the basic WordPress page you started with, you now have a modern and professional design. If you want to try Divi and unlock all these layouts, use the link in the description.